Hello, we're here with Funhaus, Elise, Adam, James, and then also Nadia.
Hi.
We're gonna play a Jackbox game called Alien something.
No, it's called Push the Button.
Push the button.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a couple of us who are aliens, and no
Three.
one knows who it is, and then we have to do tests to determine who the real alien is.
Sounds like alien talk to me.
Hey, James, check out my name.
Wait. What is
Blaine.
What's Josh put it? Josh put in
you for
schwa.
noticing.
Oh, Josh
X,
did like schwa.
A.
Just to the left of baby Superman flying to
Snyder cut.
to Earth.
You're right.
Oh,
Here we go.
I don't like that.
Sorry to interrupt your cryo.
The S stands for hope.
That I, your digital officer during emergencies, or Dottie, have detected an alien biorhythm on this ship.
I think it's Nadia.
I have determined that 3 of you are secretly aliens.
Oh shit.
Well, I'd appreciate it if you could figure out who the aliens are and then push the button.
Oh, okay. Got
Wait,
it.
so what?
We have to discuss, and then we have to agree to murder.
So Chris is the captain.
I'm the captain now.
Choose an available room. Okay, yeah, it's just
It's Clue?
It's the same. It's
What test would I like to perform? I'd like to
Resistance.
do the writing pod.
And then you're gonna pick who you want to go, and then those people are gonna help you accomplish missions.
You will be given a fill-in-the-blank prompt. Answer honestly, because it will be scrutinized.
Okay.
The alien virus will allow the intruders to get something similar, but not quite right.
Oh, it's a mixture
Oh,
of those
yeah.
2 games.
Oh.
Fun.
Got it. I
Fun.
understand.
Okay.
It's a game that makes you get secretly ratted out.
The worst song to
Oh, let's see who didn't.
Okay.
Prompt that I remember seeing.
Let's see. You mean I as well?
That's the prompt.
Interesting.
That's the musical.
Cast your suspicion.
Noted.
Wait, who do we think it is?
I think Last Christmas.
It's a real song though.
Is it?
song.
That's
Yeah.
a song?
I don't think you guys understand how the game was played. Everyone submitted an answer and it changed one of ours.
Yeah.
No, don't press the button because that means you know the alien, isn't it?
So you think I put in some joke answer and it changed it to Cats the musical?
No. It asked you a different question. You had a different question that wasn't exactly the
Alien.
same as our
Adam
question.
is deflecting.
So you didn't.
I said Cats the musical is a song.
That's not the name of a song.
not a
You
song.
know
Neither
that.
is Buddy
Wow.
Holly.
But it's a yes, it is.
All right, change it to musical.
Okay, next captain, you're in charge.
Oh, I see. Okay, and then you test them.
Oh, I'm the captain.
You'll be given a prompt to draw. Draw it the best you can because the alien virus will give our intruders
Got
the
it. So see,
scenario.
the alien is going to get a different prompt, you see? The humans are going to get something that says draw fight, but the aliens are going to get something that looks not like a fight.
That sword fight is a fight.
Draw Les Miserables.
That was the prompt.
Who drew cats?
James! What?
Snyder
It seems
cut.
pretty obvious. Who is the alien?
It's Hugh Jackman
It's
singing
pretty-
because he's a
No,
little
Blaine,
know
Blaine,
what
I
it
get it. I get it.
James is Russell Crowe looking out from.
See?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I'm not an
You
alien.
don't. Wait! Look, there's the Eiffel Tower in the background. There's a sign that says Paris. There's a dude singing with musical notes.
Why is he in Egypt?
I can't. What prompt?
That's not
is
Egypt.
that?
That's Eiffel Tower.
It might
Why
not be
is no one
else.
voting for Snyder cut?
Because it's Hugh Jackman
No,
as
I
Wolverine
get yours.
singing.
I get yours.
Oh wait, why was everyone?
I voted for
Yours
nobody.
is the most suspicious.
That's just because I'm bad at drawing.
I want to be tested.
Aliens have the ability
Jess, you're the captain now.
Oh, shit.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Probe
What-
screen.
so what do I-
Alien, 'cause
oh.
like any human.
Select an alien.
And secretly give them the alien prompt.
This is insanity.
This game's awesome.
Welcome to the deliberation deck. Humans will be given a difficult decision and must choose which answer seems appropriate to them. Aliens will see no dilemma and must choose
I've seen
the
Adam
answers
eat a
one
lot of weird stuff
when
from a lot of weird
negotiating
places,
the
though.
statement.
So this might.
Aliens may have
I just wanna
to
test
justify
Adam
their
again,
random
'cause
selection
I'm
or
suspicious
basis.
of him.
I'm a little
As you
suspicious.
should be.
So my money's on Snyder cut.
The prompt humans saw was: you find $100 in cash on the street. Another person walks up and says it belongs to them. You give them.
I don't trust either of you.
That is such a Nadia-like answer,
I mean,
though.
that seems like something that Nadia would do.
It does.
Why wouldn't you give back the $100?
You found it. It's yours.
Because it's Nadia.
So Jessica and
Jessica? Put Nadia in there.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Opinion Hold, a place to hang out and let your opinions fly.
Opinion hole.
Each participant will be presented with a bold statement. You will then provide your level of agreement or disagreement. I could fix a broken washing machine.
Oh. Josh, do you think you could fix it?
I could fix it. I did it yesterday.
Out of character.
Is this true?
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, it
well,
flooded when you were gone.
Oh, like I know how to fix that too.
Jessica, how do you think? Why would you be able to fix a washing
because
machine?
I the same thing as Josh. Our heater was getting hot. No, really. I can show you pictures.
Please keep defending yourself. Hurry.
What counts as fixing a washing machine?
I don't know. You tell us.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't
For
take
me,
it
all
apart.
I did was
but
move
I
it
can...
farther away from the wall so it wouldn't get as hot.
See, that's not fixing. That's
I don't know.
moving
I think it
furniture.
is. Why am I in there again? You guys really think I'm an
Test
alien?
Elise.
Test me, yeah, test me.
Test
Test
Elise.
Elise.
Elise
Yes.
has only
Yeah.
been tested one
Well, only
time.
tested once. That's all it needed to know that I'm innocent.
Draw
Yeah, watch this.
What?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Jessica, that looks suspicious.
Boomer! Boom that alien!
Oh,
you have to pick all three.
All three.
Who did that?
Jessica,
Who pressed the button?
I did.
Actually,
You
but
did
why
it?
did you pick all
You get to
three
pick
of
all.
them?
Oh no.
Oh, there's 3?
Yes.
Okay, do we
Fuck.
all do that?
All right,
Chris.
Captain
Chris has to
Chris.
pick
I
the
have to
3
pick all
aliens.
3. All right, quick deliberation. everyone.
Adam.
I'm not an
I
alien.
think
Adam.
it's
I'm not
James.
an alien.
I think it's Jessica, Nadia, and Snyder Cut.
You get me out of there.
Jessica,
I drew
no.
like miserable
All right,
bubbles.
I say Nadia. I say you put Nadia.
I say
in.
Nadia.
Nadia instead of Snyder Cut.
I think it's
You
Snyder
drew Hugh
Cut.
Jackman. Oh, well, you put me in there, you son of a bitch.
I don't
I
know.
drew Russell Crowe.
What if it's Chris?
I don't know.
What if
I
Chris
just
is the
pushed
alien?
You don't put me in there. I'm not even in the running. Adam is in there.
okay,
I think
time to
that-
vote.
Cats the Musical is the song that's stuck in his head.
If anyone votes
Can you sing a
no,
song from Cats?
Someone get me the fuck out of that
the vote
thing.
has failed. Well, that
Adam, what's your favorite song from Cats?
You ran out
I
of
don't
button pushes.
Rum Tum Tugger. I don't know any songs from Cats.
I'm gonna test.
Of course.
You really want to test me? Sure.
I mean, yeah, we're pretty sure that's kind of a wasted one.
We know it's Jessica.
No, we know.
a book that changed my life.
Watch with your eyes.
Okay.
Cute and sweet.
Catch her in the right.
That's a joke.
I'm pretty sure.
What? It's
But
a,
is it?
But
But
some-
is it?
It's a book, you fuck.
Uh-huh.
Cats, the musical, is based on the book
Yeah, I'm
by
making
T.S. Eliot.
Yeah, I'm making a joke too.
It's not a book. It's a collection of poems.
Let's keep it going.
It's a book.
He should know that it's a collection of poems and not a book.
Is Chris
you-
an
an
alien?
I think that's a fair
I know
critique.
Jessica is here. I'm voting
Jessica, Nadia, Chris, maybe.
accusing.
Oh my God.
Good. I agree with Jessica and Nadia. I don't know if I agree with Chris.
Maybe Josh. Josh has only
No,
got.
Josh has been good.
You've,
He did
I've
Cowboy.
Texas Come on.
Josh is a veteran.
Remember Paris.
All right, I'm gonna vote yes because I want Chris to die.
Remember Barry!
Oh my God.
We did it! We won!
But I'm here.
won.
Wait, they're gonna turn it
How
on.
do you know?
Oh, interesting.
Oh!
Yes! Yes! Yes!
We didn't. You drew a fucking
Oh,
cowboy.
Joshua, no!
Damn it.
What about the Snyder
I
Cut,
did test Josh one more time.
No.
Everyone's like, he drew a cowboy.
You
Well,
Okay, so
yeah,
they
yeah.
asked
Too
me.
good.
Well, your friends are
I
dead,
put
so you
$50
get
either
nothing.
way.
They asked me to draw
I thought it was good.
Arizona, so I was like, God damn it! When I saw that come up, I was like,
What was your
God,
prompt to
fuck.
draw the cowboy?
It's a draw cowboy.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Anything
know.
you want to
Chris was
say
suspicious.
to your viewers?
Don't trust Jessica.
Don't ever trust me.
What was great was watching Jessica's answer erode in real time because she started okay, and then as soon as you started trying to defend your answer, Jessica, it was just like the little skulls just stacked.
But
up one
also,
by
like,
I
the
can fix a
questions-
washing machine.
Like the fucking questions that like draw Texas and then draw Arizona, there's clearly like such a difference.
I could do a washing machine. One time I moved it when it got hot.
Chris, you know what? You better shut your goddamn mouth.
If you want to see the other version of this exact same video, go to Funhaus channel, which should be right down there somewhere, and watch that there. So that's the end of the video. Jessica's an alien. I'm dead. If you like this, please subscribe and check out the other version of it that's on the Funhaus channel, which is somewhere down below.
Humans.
Humans.
Humans.